Hey yo, it's SJ Han. 안녕하세요, SJ Han입니다. So I've never made one of these videos before and I have just been really lazy with actually making dance covers. Like, I know all the dances, but like dance covers are effort. Like, I'm the type of K-pop cover person that likes performing in public rather than making videos, so like, yeah, no. And doing workshops, so I mean, if you're around London, do you want me to do workshops? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I'm doing an MV reaction to Taeyeon's Rain because I put this off way too long and it's probably way too late for me to make this video. But I don't know, tell me if you want more reaction videos. I'm too lazy to actually, well, not lazy, I actually don't know how to put like the music video in the video. So you might want to like get the video ready in like a separate window and then like put it next to me and like, you know, see the reaction. But yeah, let me know if you want more. This is my reaction to Taeyeon Rain. And if you have your thing in like another window playing in three, oh sorry, hands are not working. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, she has short hair! Oh, I like the like styling, like the theme. Oh. I feel like I shouldn't like talk because like it's playing. Like we're watching a movie or something. Oh, I really like it. I actually wish it was like raining right now. Oh, and she actually has like natural eyes for once. Like, freaking hell, that's like putting contact lenses into all of their SM artists since Electric Shock. Oh. I don't really know how to like, react. What is this? It's just a really nice music video. Oh, something. I don't know. I think it was French. I really like these black and white shots. Oh, what are those? What are those? Sorry. Oh, well, they were probably raindrops. What am I thinking? Oh, they're like actually made out of water. Those effects are actually really good. Also, her legs are so skinny. Oh, the water reflecting. Oh, is someone breathing underneath the freaking like panes? Wood panels. Oh, and then the colors. Oh, I bet there's like some like really deep meaning to this as well. It's really pretty. Just everything about it. Rain. I don't know why that like last bloop, it just like gave me shivers. So yeah, that was Rain by Taeyeon. Wait, is there anything in this last 6 seconds? Just maybe. Nope. Yeah, that was Taeyeon's Rain. I mean, it was just a really nice song. Like, it was just a nice song, and I can imagine like. Sorry, I don't know what I was doing just then. Just imagine like listening to it in the rain with like a coffee and a book and just, you know, it was just like a nice, I don't know how to describe it other than it's nice. I'm such a rubbish reactioner. But yeah, it's just nice. I think I prefer it to I, to be honest. Like, I know I has like a lot more meaning to her than Rain. But I think, I don't know, I like them both, but I just like rain is my favorite type of weather, so music that like fits with the rain, like it really like, it's really nice. I don't know how to say it. Like, it strikes a chord with me. There we go. Something fancier than nice. But yeah, it was really nice, and she looked really pretty. Like, and I like the fact that they had like her natural eyes, because like, just stop freaking. This isn't just SM. These are like all K-pop artists. Like, they just always put colored lenses in them. I'm just like, stop. Like, they have pretty eyes. I don't want to see Taeyeon with blue eyes. Like, hashtag stop Caucasianing K-pop. 2K16. Yeah. So yeah, that was my reaction to, I don't know if you heard that, but like, oh my gosh, the foxes are going crazy. Yeah, but if you like that, let me know if I should do more reaction videos. They're a lot easier to do than actual dance covers. And yeah, let me know what you thought about Rain down below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I don't know how to like do outros either. Like, this is something I need to work on. Blech. My freaking days, the foxes.